Today, Jaipur turns into pure color.
First rule: respect the streets and the people. Quest 1. Find the perfect gulal. Jaipur wakes up like it knows a secret. Too fine and it flies. Too gritty and it hurts.
We choose color that's gentle on skin and on mood.
Namaste. Quest 2. Greet like a local, simple and warm.
This little pouch is basically a ticket to chaos.
Hear that?
White today, so the colors can do the talking.
I'm not even outside yet, and it started.
Holi builds like a song, quiet verse to loud chorus.
Quick landmark check, then straight back to the color.
Quest 3. Fuel up. Gujia first.
Okay, this is dangerously good.
Calm now, because in an hour, it's a color war.
Always ask, then celebrate. Quest 4. Find the heartbeat of the festival.
If Jaipur had a face today, this is it.
We're in.
Happy Holi!
That's the official welcome. Tiny throw, big feeling.
Follow the drum, Jaipur's rule book. Ghumar Ramwane, Padharo Mahare Des.
Hey! Too much? Too much? Perfect. Quick reset, then back in.
Thanks.
Hydrate and be kind. Holi goes longer than you think.
Jaipur's history, wearing today's colors.
Hospitality is the real festival. So many tiny stories in one street.
Watch your footing. Holi turns roads into paint. Quest 5. Cool down. Lassi saves lives. Instant reset.
Quest 6, the big arena.
Next.
Structured chaos, my favorite kind.
Jaipur doesn't just throw color, it performs it.
If you can clap, you can belong.
Somehow, it feels like freedom.
Okay, Okay, direct hit.
Happy Holi.
Gentle beats chaotic every time.
On 3, the sky changes.
This is what alive looks like.
It falls like confetti, but it's color.
Camera Vs Gulal. Round 1 goes to Gulal. Happy Holi. Happy Holi. We're strangers for 5 seconds, then family.
Drum, dust, dance.
Holi hack. Share water.
Share joy.
We're peeling back layers of Jaipur now.
Pink City still looks pink, just louder.
Ancient timekeeping on the messiest day.
Even here, gentle steps.
Quest 8, the crunch kachori time.
Eating on the side, so nobody has to dodge me.
VO. Leave only footprints and maybe color.
From chaos to calm in 10 minutes.
The color doesn't disappear, it just moves on.
Skincare is part of the travel story.
Next quest, Jaipur's Sunset Throne.
Even covered in color, I'm still speechless.
This light, Jaipur's secret sauce.
Time speeds up and the day slows down.
Holi souvenir, permanent glitter dust. Jaipur hides symmetry everywhere. Color turns math into art.
Final quest, watch Jaipur glow.
This is the payoff.
But Jaipur doesn't sleep.
A calm scent after a loud day.
Now the real challenge. Getting clean.
Proof that today really happened.
I didn't buy a souvenir. I became one.
After the storm, chai.
Jaipur gave me color.
Happy Holi. See you in the next journey.
Good night, Jaipur.
Yesterday was a dream, right?
Jaipur resets. one bucket at a time.
I'm taking a tiny piece of Holi home.
Same place, totally different energy.
Quest 9. Taste Jaipur without the noise.
Morning Jaipur feels like a neighborhood. Warm hands, warm city.
Dhanyavad.
The best guides are the people you meet.
Quest 10. See Jaipur the day after.
Welcome. Look first, ask second. My feet deserve a Jaipur upgrade.
Small rituals make travel feel real.
Yesterday it was a storm. Today it's a postcard.
Holi doesn't wash off fast. It sticks with you.
Let's slow down and watch time again.
After color, the shapes feel soothing.
Same city, two worlds.
If you buy color, choose the gentle kind.
Thanks.
Lesson learned. Comfort matters.
Jaipur is a museum with a heartbeat.
Quest 11. A real Jaipur lunch.
Simple food hits hardest after a big day.
Everyone's still wearing yesterday, just a little.
Dhanyavad.
Gratitude travels well. Back to the water, my favorite pause button.
Cool air, cooler mind.
Yesterday was emotion, today is detail.
Look with your eyes first.
It's officially part of me now.
One more sunset, because Jaipur deserves two.
A city this loud needs moments this quiet.
Color belongs to the day. Memories belong to us.
This is why you climb.
Now it feels like a gentle goodbye.
Final bite, because traditions should taste sweet.
Color, protect eyes, and thank people.
Small actions keep places beautiful.
Holi is loud, but love is louder.
Okay, Jaipur. I'm ready to say it.
Holi taught me joy can be respectful.
Reality check, this stuff really sticks.
These tiny things hold a whole day.
Leaving is always the hardest cut.
Jaipur keeps moving, even when you don't.
Here you go. One last chai, always.
Walls to rainbow skies, Jaipur delivered.
The face of Jaipur, one last time.
Namaste, Jaipur.
Even the signs feel warm here.
If you only remember one thing.
See you in the next adventure.
A final spring
For the color.
Not every festival changes you. This one did.
A small pouch, a big memory.
The details stay with you.
Jaipur's pink will always be my favorite.
Happy Holi, wherever you are.
The city cleans, but the joy lingers.
Someone always does the quiet work.
Life continues beautifully.
Write it down. Before the colors fade, you were magic. Dhanyavad.
Until next time, Pink City.
Travel gently.
See you.